Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Meiza Putri. I am student from Vocational High School, 6th Jember, majoring in accounting. Okay, in this occasion I will present about how to make general journal. What is a general journal? Yes. General journal is a journal that is used for recording all types of evidence of financial transactions that arise as a result of the occurrence of various financial transactions of the company in a certain period. Okay, let's see how to make it. First, understand the accounting equation and the classification of account names, where the basic accounting equation consists of asset equal to liabilities plus equity. So, make sure you understand the basic accounting equation before entering the general journal. By understanding the basic accounting equations, you can journal more quickly and precisely. In addition to the basic accounting equation, you must also understand the account name to be used. There are 5 accounts used in journalize, namely 1. Asset, which have a normal balance in debit. 2. Liabilities, which have a normal balance in credit. 3. Equity, which have a normal balance in credit. 4. Income, which have a normal balance in credit. And 5. Expense, which have a normal balance in debit. And then second, collect proof of transactions. Collect proof of transactions such as invoice, notes, and even receipt. Don't forget, only transactions that result in costs in financial position report may be recorded in the journal. In one transaction, there are at least 2 accounts that must be formed, of which one account will be debited and one account will be credited. And then third, identify transactions. Not all transactions can be recorded. Transactions that may be recorded are transactions that result in change in financial position report and can be valued in monetary units. And the last step, we must identify the transactions before recording it so that the recording result will be correct. You can see the table beside. In this picture, we can see that there is a column containing the date column, description or account name, reference or account code, debit column, and credit column. And don't forget, there is also a title which consists of the name of the company, general journal, and the period of the transactions. Then, we journalize and fill up both sides of debit and credit balance. Okay, for example, on May 1st, 2022, the company bought office supplies in the form of pencils for 100,000 rupiahs. So, on May 1st, 2022, we can record the general journal by debiting the office supplies account and crediting the cash account for 100,000 rupiahs. Because in this case, the company equipment in the form of pencil will increase while the company cash will decrease by 100,000 rupiahs. Then, on May 5, there was an insurance expense payment transaction of 200,000 rupiahs. Then on May 10, there was a cash receipt transaction for payment of other companies' receivables amount 300,000 rupiahs. Then on May 12, there was a transaction for payment of building leases amount 400,000 rupiahs. And on May 22nd, there was a transaction sales of service on debit and credit 500,000 rupiahs. So that it can be found that the total of all transactions during the month of May was debit 1,500,000 rupiahs and credited 1,500,000 rupiahs. After the result of the debit and credit balance, the general journal has been completed. You can see an example from a general journal in the following picture. Okay, that's the only way to make a general journal from me. Thank you, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.